Hello guys, good afternoon. So today we're letting go of the Camry XV70 guys. So I sold the car already guys. We're gonna go actually to the bank in like 30 minutes. Actually we're gonna meet 1 PM pero inagahan ko na. Papagas lang ako. I don't want to give the car to Miguel. So Miguel's the buyer. Young kid. I think he's around 24 years old. And papagas lang ako for him. Para at least, diba, may gas naman. Kasi nakakaya naman kung wala. And yeah, he got the car. This was like last week or 2 weeks na. He messaged me. He saw my post. I posted this car in the marketplace. And he messaged. He went to Andrea's place, took a look at the car. I told him, bring your mechanic. He brought his mechanic. Scan, check the body, check the mileage. Kasi guys, as you can see, ang baba na mileage nito. Kasi I got it last year. It was only 10,800 kilometers. So I only put in around less than 5,000 kilometers. Oh yeah, 5,000 kilometers. Actually, mga ganon, since I got the car. And this car has been fantastic. Kaka-change oil ko lang, so swerte siya. He'll change oil in 23,000 kilometers. Just to be sure, kasi sinasabi na 10,000, fully synthetic. Pero dapat yan kahit mga 6 or 7, depende where you use the car. That's how I change my oil guys. Yeah, this car has been fantastic. The Camry is the reason why I started this channel in the first place, when I had the XV40 Camry. Yan guys. So in-empty out ko na yung mga stuff sa likod. Bye-bye. But I love this car. Empty na. So this is the stock radio. Some coolant for top up for him. Nothing's kasama na yan. And yeah, I enjoyed this car. It will serve him very well. And yeah, it's okay guys. It's not really goodbye because I'm planning to do an upgrade for this car. Actually, tagalin ko muna stickers ko. Yan, na-remove ko na yung sticker. Napakahirap tanggalin. Anyways, yeah, he's gonna get the car. He came from a Nissan Navara pickup. So the older version, and he had it for quite some time. It's his workhorse, and he wants something a little bit different, a little bit more comfortable. Well, not a little bit, actually a big in terms of comfort and even space. Even though that's a pickup, in terms of interior space, guys, mas maluwag talaga to. Especially the back seat. His dad can really enjoy the back seat, and he's lucky because yun nga, as I was lucky also to purchase this car from the first owner. Low mileage, alaga, no issues at all, walang bangga. Minor scratches kasi black, hindi natin maiwasan yan. But yeah, as you know, I replaced the stereo. I replaced of course, naglagay ako ng mattings. I replaced these lights, bright lights to LED, door lights to LED. And yeah, that's it basically. I didn't really do anything that much with the car kasi yeah, the tires pala, nagpalit rin ako. Kahit hindi kailangan, nagpalit pa rin ako. Kasi of course this car was a 2020 model, but of course the tires was 2019. So nagpalit rin ako ng gulong para, di ba, safe tayo. Just, you know, gotta be safe because I really don't know how long those tires will last. Pero they still look good physically, but diba, di natin alam. But anyway, punta muna tayo sa gas station, pag-gas tayo. Then let's meet the buyer. And I'm gonna replace this car first, but not with the Camry, but I will get another Camry, but hybrid na. Yan talaga yung goal ko, to get a hybrid. I'm just not sure if it's the facelifted of this or the new one that just came out, which is the XV80. Tingnan natin guys, if we get a good deal. But now, I'm replacing this with the crossover because I still have the Ranger right here. And I love that pickup. Matagal na sa akin. Over 2.5 years, magti 3 years na. And I plan to keep it for quite some time, especially sabi daw na tumaas daw yung taxes for pickups. So tignan natin kung totoo yan, diba? So the value of this didn't go down then. This one, I will replace it with a crossover. And para Andrea can also drive the car, hindi lang ako. Kasi she doesn't like driving sedans, guys, kasi mababa. Sanay siya sa mga SUVs, matataas. I think all girls like crossovers or SUVs talaga compared to sedans. For the majority, because yun nga, parang you feel safer when you're up there compared to being down there. But I love sedans, especially a Camry. It serves its purpose differently and very well for me. Very perfect road trip car. Sige, let's go down dito. Like here, dali-dali, kahit, you know, the parking here is not that big. The Ranger has a hard time. But this one, madali lang. Madali lang. May sensors. Of course, importante yan. May sensors sa front. Huwag natin bagay. Bibenta natin to eh. Imagine ko ng bangga. Sakit. But anyway, I'll see you sa bank. And let's give the car. I already have the documents right here. ORCR. Of course, the key. Last service. The warranty of the battery pala. Amaron battery. Naglagay na rin ako. So he doesn't have to worry about the battery for what? 2 years yun eh. 24 months. So swerte yung bayaran. And I sold it at a reasonable price. Not high, not low. Kasi nga, sino makakita ng ganito kababa mileage na hindi tampered. So yun. So see you in a bit. Okay, ayan. At least, diba? Nag 1/4. That's enough for him to go get more gas. Pero, yeah, matagal-tagal pa yan. Mga ilang kilometers pa yan. Hindi nag-reset. Anyway, later. Okay. Masarap pag ganito oras, guys, mag-drive. Wala traffic. Pero around 5 PM, nako. Yeah, I'll miss this car, guys. Super comfortable. The back seat's fantastic, like I said. Diba? That's the best. But even the front seat, sarap i-drive talaga to. I want to give a shout out pala to Ethan, who bought a Camry XV50 V6. Lalagay ko yung photo ng car niya. Napakaganda. He just got it recently. He was contemplating getting a crossover for his wife, but because he saw my videos, nakita niya yung value ng Camry. So yeah, he got one. Na-convince niya yung asawa niya. And yung wife niya, really enjoyed the car. She drives the Camry, guys. Kasi it's hard to beat, guys, for the price. Even if you have money to buy brand new, it doesn't mean you have to. If you find a really good deal, a really good condition car, why not, diba? Why waste the money? I mean, it's up to you guys. You have the money. If you wanna spend money on a brand new car, that's fine, kasi I do too sometimes. But there are times that I really look at the marketplace. Lexus ES hybrid. Yan, katabi niya. Parang Camry rin eh. Diba? Hindi naman. And of course, that's way nicer, guys. Anyway, like I was saying, yeah, she loved the car. Kasi nga, the value of it eh. Kasi imagine that car was a little over 2 million. Or 2 million when it was new. The same way with this car. Then, diba? At you know, naging magkano na yung XV50? Like, what, 650, 750, depending on mileage. So So, di ba? It really depends eh. So, yun yan. Yun talaga yung reason why people also buy the Camry. Also because mid-size sedans are dying. Yan totoo guys. Mid-size sedans are you know, are basically dying. Everybody's buying crossovers, pickups, SUVs, vans. Yan talaga yung market ng, you know, market ng mga kotse na yun. And of course, hybrid crossovers, diba? Tons of BYD cars now. So, yeah, maganda yan kahit luma guys. So, I'd rather get that than a brand new Fortuner, to be honest with you, as long as it's in good condition. That's still a Land Cruiser guys, diba? Anyway, malapit na tayo sa bank. I'm early, 20 minutes. And let's meet the buyer. Hey guys, so Migs got the car.
Hi guys.
So this is my, I think, 5th Camry, so enjoy the car.
Take care of it.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, Migs.